Monday. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Here is what I'm taking with me to work today. So I have 2 Nespresso capsules for 0 smart points and 3 teaspoons of this powdered creamer for 1 smart point. And then I'm also taking this for lunch when I break my fast at 3 o'clock. This is the chicken stuffing stew. It's been frozen. So this is 4 smart points. I love this stuff so much. It's so good. So everything I'm going to have before dinner today is going to be 5 smart points. And I'm already freezing, so I've already got my jacket on, but here's my outfit of the day. Jeans and boots, again. All right, 2 miles in the gym. It feels so good. It always feels so good when I go to the gym. Like, why don't I just go, right? So I decided that whatever I was gonna do this week, I'm gonna make it to the gym at least twice. Monday night and I think I said Thursday night. So Monday night and Thursday night, doesn't matter what I do, how far I go, I just wanna make it there. And then I know if I make it there, I'll at least do 1 mile. I'd like to do 3 miles, but I'll do between 1 to 3. And so tonight I did 2, and it was awesome. Now I'm headed home. I really want to cook tonight, but it's already 7:53, so I'm not hungry yet, so I guess I have time to cook, but I just don't want to make it a super late night, so we'll see. I'll show you. Okay, so I decided to cook a little bit tonight. So I'm doing this chicken breast in the air fryer, and I'm just going to use the automatic setting, so chicken setting in the air fryer. And then I have some salad I'm going to eat it with. Chicken salad tonight. Okay, so the automatic setting for chicken for this particular air fryer, this is my Magic Chef air fryer, is 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Here's my finished salad. It looks so good. So this is, oh, I threw the the package is right here. Okay, so here's the salad kit that I used. It's a Fresh Express barbecue ranch salad kit. I got this at the dollar store, which to me is a steal. So that is so good, so good. So I used everything but the dressing. I did not use the barbecue ranch dressing. I don't think it's gonna need it. I'm used to eating salads without dressing as long as they have enough other toppings and protein. So what I have is just the salad greens. It's kale and cabbage, and I'm not sure what else. And then this is my chicken breast that I air fried. I did use the bacon, so I'm gonna count 3 points for the bacon. They're like little bacon bits. And then I used soy nuts and corn, and I think it was some sort of like dried black beans. I'm not really sure. I think it was black beans. So I'm gonna count another point for the soy nuts. So that is 4 smart points for my salad. Yay.